Hi, and welcome. Now, if you are a farmer who wants better control of your animals, your feed, and your finances, then this tool is for you. This is the Farm Manager Pro Toolkit, and today I want to show you what it does, but more importantly, what the Pro version adds to take your farm management to the next level. Let me start by briefly walking you through the front dashboard, which forms the heart of our farm manager system. This layout, maybe also I should mention, is also available in both the basic as well as the pro versions with minor differences. Now, on the left side, you will see to the far left, we have the different animal types that can be registered on the system. So this includes the cattle, the sheep, the goats, the pigs, and now we also have horses that have also been added. It was not part of the original design. And directly beneath each animal type, you can also see the total number of animals which are registered. So these are numbers that are updating automatically every time a new animal is added to the system. Now, to the right of that, we see that you'll have a pie chart which shows the distribution of all animals that are registered on the farm. So this gives you an instant visual overview of how your livestock is structured. Now we see one big blue circle here because we only have one animal registered right now, and by the color blue we see that it's cattle. So we have one cattle that has been registered now in the system. All right. Now just below the pie chart we have a rainfall display where the farmer can see the rainfall figures that have been recorded on the system up to date. All right. Now, in the center of the dashboard is where the financial picture comes together. This is where the financial picture comes together. At the top, you'll see the total money in, and then below that, the total money out, as well as at the bottom, the profit or the deficit or loss. All right. Now, if the farm is running at a profit, the system will light up green here, and then it will also display the amount with which you are running in profit. And then on the flip side of the same coin, if it is running at a loss, it will light up red here with the number as well. All right. So this gives you instant clarity. No guesswork about your financials, no calculations needed. You just enter the data and the system displays the calculations for you. Now, to the far right, we have the menu with its different menu items. And this is what links to all the different registers in the system. At the top, we have the animal registers. Below that, we have the crop register. And then we also have links to the money in, the money out, the feeds, and the health records registers. So you just click on the link and it will take you straight to the relevant register. But then also, you also get a bonus vaccination calendar, which you can download and use as well. And there is also a Feedmasters Advisors contact list, which is linked through this particular link, which is very useful since many of the farmers use Feedmaster products. And then also finally, an addition, which was also not part of the initial design, is a direct link to the Namlit's online portal. So you just click here and then it will take you straight to the Namlit's online portal. Now let's quickly look at the animal registers, so which is definitely the database of your farm. Now almost all registers, all animal registers are structured the same way. All right. So these registers, they serve as the central database for all your animal information. Now let's look at the cattle register as an example. So we click on the cattle tab, and then it takes us straight to the cattle information register. Now on the left side, you will see live updating figures. such as the initial number of cattle, the total cattle that are currently on hand, the total males versus females, total purchased, total sold, and total died or lost, and bulls and other classifications. So each of these figures, they update automatically when you complete the relevant register. For example, when an animal is bought, sold, or lost, as an example, when you come, this purchase, this is sold, this is where you record when it's dead or when it's lost. So these numbers, they update automatically. Now, since all animals registers work the same way, there's no need to go through each one individually. All right. Now, the crop register allows farmers to record crop information, and the system can even alert you when harvest time is approaching, so based on the data that is entered. And we also see that rainfall is also recorded here to the extreme right. So this is where you record your rainfall. The money in register is used for all incoming transactions, and then the money out register is for all outgoing transactions. So these two registers, they fit directly into the financial summary that you saw on the dashboard. Now, the health register is where treatments and vaccinations are recorded, and the system can also remind you of follow-up treatments where needed. Now, this is where the Pro version really sets itself apart. The weight tracker, which is not included in the basic version, allows farmers to record and to monitor animal weight over time. This is especially useful for stud animals with mandatory weight monitoring at different intervals, maybe at 200 days, 400 days, and 600 days and such. And then it is also useful for farmers who want performance-based decisions. So this is very, very handy tool, which is part of this system. But then this system can also be used for non-stud animals as well, if there is an animal that whose weight you want to monitor. The daily attendance register acts like the daily roll call. All right. So it helps you track how often animals return home from the field, and it is a very powerful indicator for management as well as loss prevention. The feeds and licks usage register helps you to monitor exactly how much feed is being consumed by your animals. And now, finally, the monthly feed cost report shows the actual cost of feeding your animals. So this report is interactive. Now you can switch between different months and years, and this makes it easy to compare seasons and to also plan ahead. Now, the question probably now is, how much does this cost? Now, the basic version of the Farm Manager Toolkit cost a low 350 Namibian dollars. And the Pro version, which is this one, it cost 550 Namibian dollars. But here's the good news, that if you already own the basic version, if you are already on our books as having procured the basic version, then you don't need to buy this one again. And you can upgrade to the Pro version for only 200 Namibian dollars. And you keep all your existing data. All right? So there we are. If you want better control, better visibility, and better decision making on your farm, then the Farm Manager Pro Toolkit is built for you. Get in touch today and take your farm management to the next level. This tool is proudly brought to you by Trendz Creationz. And we can put together any tool. If you need any tool whatsoever, whether it's for business, whether it's for finances, whether it's for personal management or whatsoever, we can put it together for you. You just let us know what it is that you want the tool to do for you, and we will put it together for you. All right. So there you have it. Should you want a copy of your Farm Manager Pro toolkit, let us know. Get in touch with us through our contact details, which are on the screen right now, and we will forward your toolkit to you right away. Thank you so much for your time and prosperous farming. Bye bye.